Which AI tools actually make you money? Now, this is one question I keep on hearing from people. And as someone who's made millions by building AI tools in my company Altered, in this video, I will break down 3 real AI workflows that I would use to make money if I were to start from zero. I'll even show you how to find and show it to customers and break down the cost, effort, and potential for each one of them. Now, if you're a student, a freelancer, or a side hustler, this one's for you. Because while everyone is panicking about AI, I want to teach you how to profit from it the way your best friend would explain it. Because AI is for everyone and not just for the nerds. So, let's get started. Look at these clips, they have millions of views. Even you must have seen those short podcast clips all over Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Now, these are two people casually talking, which feels like a real conversation about some deep topic like AI, productivity, finance. It feels like a real conversation, but here's the catch, it's not. Now, these are not recorded podcasts. These are AI-generated clips straight from written blogs, articles, or PDFs. And now, you can also do this and offer it as a paid service using just one tool. Now, let me break it down for you. Exactly how it works, how to pitch it, and how much you can charge for a service like this. So there's this article called Here's Why Gen Z is Opting Out of the 9-to-5 Grind. Now, this is a very interesting topic. Now, instead of summarizing or rewriting it for content, we are taking the link and pasting it directly to this tool called Notebook LLM. This tool also, by the way, works with Google Docs and PDFs. And once uploaded, we will click on Audio Overview. And look at this. It gives you a 2-person conversation that sounds like a mini podcast.
When you think about Gen Z,
Yeah.
what usually comes to mind first? Is it maybe how they just get AI?
Now imagine turning this into a faceless Instagram reel or a Spotify audio podcast. Now let's exactly talk about how do you make money with this. Step 1, find your target niche. Who needs these services? For example, newsletter writers who have a lot of content but they don't know what to do with it. Or LinkedIn creators who have so much written content and don't know how to repurpose them. Or consultants and solopreneurs who have thoughts but don't have the time to create content out of it. Now, these are people who already have a lot of content. They just don't know what to do with it. And you become their plug. Step 2, offer this as a service. You can call it the voice pod repurposing package. Now, what can you offer? You can create weekly AI conversations of the written content of blogs, articles, and PDFs. You can also then add B-rolls and subtitles to make this audio ready for short-form videos. You can sell this as a weekly or a monthly service. Now, let's see the breakdown for this. The startup cost is very minimal, almost zero. The effort is low. The pricing, you can start small. It could be 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month per client. And if you scale it to about 5 clients, you could be making 50,000 rupees passively a month. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need to write the script. You just need the right article, the right people to sell to, and one tool. And that's your way number 1 to make money using AI. You know what's really blowing up right now? Faceless YouTube Shorts channels. These are animated short-form videos with subtitles, with B-rolls, a catchy voiceover, and topics like why Arizona does not change clocks or things in US that don't make sense. These videos are doing millions of views, and now let me break this down for you. The exact system of creating such videos with AI. Step 1, write like a viral channel. Now, here you don't need to start from scratch. You can go to a channel that's already blowing up, pick a niche, especially the one that pays well, like finance, AI, productivity, or tech. Now, let's pick one of their top videos, copy the link, and head over to TurboScribe. It even gives you 3 videos to transcribe per day. Now, we'll paste the video link there and extract the full transcript. Then I will take this transcript and go to GPT and say, learn this writing style and write me a similar script on your topic. And let's say we pick weird laws in India. GPT has now given you a script in the exact tone of the viral channel that you picked up. Now, this is your core content. Step 2, let's turn this script into a voiceover. We'll go into 11 Labs, which is an AI tool to generate audio out of text. Let's pick a voice, ideally an Indian voice for relatability and more understandability. Now let's paste our script that we got from GPT here and click on generate. And here you go. Step 3, generate animated visuals. Now this is the real game changer. Imagine actually editing this manually on Premiere Pro or After Effects. It would take you hours. But we will use this new tool called Hera AI to make animations for the video. We'll just go and type zoom into Maharashtra from the map of India. And Hera will generate that for you. Step 4, edit it all together. Now it's time for us to put the video and the voiceover together in any editing software like CapCut. You can put auto captions. You can use Pixabay for sound effects. And you've now created your own viral short form video without a mic, without writing a script, without being in front of the camera, just by using AI. Now the real question, how do you actually make money with this? A, you could start your own faceless channel. Or B, offer this as a service to people like coaches and consultants who want to start their own educational page, or to brands who want TikTok-like snackable videos. Now, let's break this down. The startup cost is medium because you might need some tools which have paid plans. The effort is also medium. Once you learn the flow, it's repeatable, and potential is high. Short-form video demand is exploding right now. And even if you charge about 3,000 to 5,000 rupees per short form video and deliver maybe around 10 videos per month, that's 50,000 rupees solo just by using these tools. Third, build and sell websites under 30 minutes. You know what's crazy expensive right now? Getting a website made. Even a basic one for your business with design and development can cost anywhere between 50,000 rupees to 1.5 lakh. And let's be real, small businesses just cannot afford that. But what if I told you you could build the same kind of website in under 30 minutes? With no development knowledge, with no Figma, no stress, no coding knowledge required, just AI. Let me show you the exact process of how to do it. First, we need a business idea. Let's look at an Indian skincare brand, just like the brand Ordinary, but specifically made for Indian skin type and our climate. Let's now go into ChatGPT and write a prompt for a luxury skincare website inspired by global brands like Glossier or The Ordinary, but positioned for Indian women in tier 2 cities. And here we have generated a prompt that we can then use to design our website. Let's copy this prompt. Second, we will go to lovable.dev. Now, Lovable is an AI-powered website developer. You will see a clean chat interface here. We will paste our GPT-generated prompt into this box and click on Enter. Now, let's just wait a few seconds. And here you go. It gives you a hero section with brand tagline, about the product, the brand, the skincare benefits listed like features. We have a call to action button, footer with contact, a clean modern aesthetic, fully mobile and web responsive. Now, this is already very, very cool. But if I want to make any changes, I can just go and type it in the chat. The best part is it feels like you're literally chatting with your developer and seeing the changes in real time. Now, once I'm satisfied, I can click on publish and start sharing this link with people. Now, let's talk business. How do you make money with this? Once you've learned the flow, you can build and sell portfolio websites, personal brand landing pages, brand campaign pages, or even event RSVP invites. You can then offer it as a service. You can call it website in a day package. You can design and develop a custom website. You can do all the copywriting with Claude or GPT. You can make it fully responsive because of Lovable. And the best part is you can ship it under 24 hours. Your client now gets a clean, responsive website without paying lakhs to an agency. And you get a high margin, quick turnaround website done in a day for your client. Now, let's look at the breakdown. The cost is low. The tools are very affordable. The effort is medium. You just need to understand design flow. And the potential is very, very high. If you get good, you can scale this massively. You can then use that to start DMing people, start cold emailing small businesses, and then you can start by charging 30,000 rupees for one website. And even if you have about 10 clients per month, that's 3 lakh rupees worth of income just by spending a couple of hours. If this helped you even 1%, please do hit that subscribe button because every week I'm going to be back with a new video to teach you different AI workflows, break that down for you, the tactics and tips and tricks of AI, so that you never have to panic about AI ever again. And do drop a comment below and tell me what else do you want to learn, because I want to make AI accessible for all of you. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.